Hello everybody. I'm going to go out in the rain. Quite bad weather. Let's check it out. Well, you probably can't see now. Oh, hopefully you saw that. There's some mad heads about. Oh, look at that thunder, people. Check it out. Oh, big puddle. So I'm wearing what's meant to be a waterproof jacket. So it's an ideal time to try. Oh, look like that. It's an ideal time to try it out. It's dark, isn't it? So you probably can't see me. Hopefully you can. Here's some right here, look. So I've got this leather jacket on, look. And it's meant to be like waterproof. But yeah, we'll see. Oh, could the thunder. Here, look, I'm going to hang around here, look. Yeah, because there's no light, but if it thunders, like, we should see it, shouldn't we? I mean, not see the sun, not see the thunder, we'll see the lightning. I just turned it around and there's just lightning, so I just missed it. Raining, man. Oh man, I think I'm wet, yeah, and this is meant to be a waterproof coat. I mean, is it really ever waterproof? That's the thing, isn't it? The water resistance maybe for a teeny bit, but waterproof, probably if you buy a coat for like thousands and thousands of pounds. But this coat was offered at Vinted for like 15 quid. God, you can hear it, you can hear it hammering down, like, can't you? Probably can't see out. You can hear it hammering down, like, can't you? I mean, it's hammering it down. I mean, my bloody feet are... Oh, Oh, more lightning, mate. My feet are already soaked, and I've only walked like not very far. Some more lightning, but we can't see. Look how much it's raining. Look at that light. I don't know whether you can hear me, but look at that light. Look at all that rain. It's absolutely heavy rain. Let me out. There's a madhead, look, in his little car. Might have come to and taken the horses. There's horses down there, and with this bad weather they probably don't want to be out. I mean, here's me out in the thunder and the lightning, holding a metal pole, filming. Seems exactly the purpose thing I've done. If I can twist that up. Not any better. I'm missing a thunder. Man, my feet are soaked. I bet as soon as I turn that this way, I bet we'll see lightning that way. Told you. Mad. Let me there's someone else in the car. Maybe come down to move the horses in. I think I'm going to head back now. I'll head back and I'll upload it. I mean, you can't see me probably. Yeah, I'll head back and I'll upload it. But I love the rain and I love the wind. Yeah, it's just, there's something about it that I like. I don't like the wet, like getting wet, but I like the rain and I like the wind. I like the force of it. Mad. But yeah, I just don't like being wet. The worst thing is, and the worst thing for me, that personally, wet feet. I hate it. Wet feet, and it pisses me off. But if I've got like dry feet and I'm all wet, then I'm alright. Bloody hell. Listen to that. And you probably can't see, but that road's already underwater. Look at that goon. Probably thinks I'm filming him. Like, know what I mean? He probably thinks I've came out just purposely to film him in the rain and driving around the corner. God knows. Oh, more lightning. Anyway, I'm gonna get it back. I'm gonna try and get dry. Oh, as soon as I say that, we get the epic lightning that I've not caught. Blue lights. I wonder where they're going to. Yeah, the rain's eased off now, but we've got wind and thunder and lightning. And the rain that has just come down, the drains around here can't cope, so the road's underwater. Anyway, for the second time I want to go in. Oh, look at that, just as I say I'm going to go in. In a bit. Thanks for watching.